Art Smith, 70 pounds. The celebrity chef revealed that he lost 70 pounds in less than 3 months while in quarantine amid the coronavirus pandemic and credited his friend, athlete, and trainer Lucas Cancelliere for the transformation. Adele, more than 100 pounds. 4 months after the singer revealed that she dropped 100 pounds, she showed off an even slimmer figure. Ed Sheeran, 50 pounds. After gaining weight on tour and years of smoking, the Shape of You singer has lost 50 pounds. Ryan Lochte, 21 pounds. After being plagued by scandals following the Rio 2016 Games, the Olympic swimmer took a break from the sport. But in October 2019, Lochte shared a before and after photo of himself on Instagram, announcing that he'd lost 21 pounds in just 2 months. Jimmy Kimmel, 25 pounds. The Jimmy Kimmel Live host wasn't concerned about his weight until Dr. Oz was a guest on his show in 2010. After the doctor said he was worried about the comedian, Kimmel began dieting. Simon Cowell, 20 pounds. Switching to a vegan diet and living a more active lifestyle made a 20-pound difference. Jenna Jameson, 80 pounds. In November 2018, Jameson announced on Instagram that she dropped 80 pounds in 6 months after she'd begun following the high-protein, low-carb keto diet combined with intermittent fasting. Gordon Ramsay, 50 pounds. The Hell's Kitchen chef dropped weight for love. In January 2018, Ramsay revealed he decided circa 2013 to shape up to save his marriage to his wife. Kevin Smith, 37 pounds. After suffering a near-fatal heart attack in February 2018, Smith's physician told him to lose 50 pounds. By May 15, 2018, Smith had shed 37 pounds. Missy Elliott, over 30 pounds. Elliott flaunted her new body on Instagram in May 2018. Proudly to say, it's been 4 months, I have only drank water, no other juices or soda, and I cut out bread, and Lord knows that has been the hardest for me. Jonah Hill, over 30 pounds. From super bad to super slim. Hill first revealed his 30-pound weight loss before production began on 21 Jump Street back in 2011. Tyler Baltiera, 35 pounds. The Teen Mom OG star put his slimmer figure on display in February 2018 when he revealed he lost 35 pounds in 2 months. Mama June Shannon, 300 pounds. June Shannon, aka Mama June, chronicled her 300-pound weight loss on the WE TV reality show Mama June from Not Too Hot. Rosie O'Donnell, 50 pounds. Whooping weight loss. The View album posted before and after photos of herself in April 2014 writing, "Almost 50 pounds off, I can see it now." Chris Pratt, 60 pounds. After deliberately gaining weight to play Andy Dwyer on Parks and Recreation, Pratt lost 60 pounds in 6 months to become action star material in 2013. Snooki, 42 pounds. The Jersey Shore party girl showed off her dazzling post-baby body on the cover of US Weekly in March 2013. Snooki dropped 42 pounds after giving birth to her son, Lorenzo. Christina Aguilera, 20 pounds. The pop diva showed off her noticeably slimmer figure and estimated 20-pound weight loss at the season 4 premiere screening of The Voice in March 2013. Miranda Lambert, 25 pounds. The country star took to her blog in November 2013 to slam weight loss critics who alleged she underwent surgery to achieve her talked-about slender figure. Jordan Sparks, 50 pounds. The tattoo singer radiated confidence while showing off her 50-pound weight loss at the 2012 Teen Choice Awards. Kirstie Alley, 100 pounds. "I've lost 1,000,000 pounds," Alley told US in April 2011. The fat actor star dropped a whopping 100 pounds, going from a size 14 to a 6 from 2010 to 2011. Kelly Osbourne, 42 pounds. To shed 42 pounds, Osbourne did it the healthy way: regular exercise and a portion-controlled diet. Joe Giudice, the Real Housewives of New Jersey star, was nearly unrecognizable after the 41 months he spent in prison for fraud. Given his height, Joey has lost anywhere from 40 to 60 pounds of body fat. It could possibly be even more, even up to around 70 pounds, said a professional nutritionist. Drew Carey, 70 pounds. I just got sick of being fat, Carey told US Weekly. He added that he had also followed a cardio program. I do work with somebody who gives me advice on what to do, how many minutes to run, what my heart rate should be, and all that kind of stuff.